Hi everyone, welcome again to Herman Miller Sustainability Chronicles. This is Thaddeus Owen from the Herman Miller Sustainability team. Most of you have probably gotten a request for or have heard of the Living Building Challenge and products compliant to the Living Building Challenge Redlist. So today let's talk about what that means and what we have. We definitely do have products that are compliant to the Living Building Challenge Redlist. In fact, we've been specified and put into many products and projects that are already Living Building Project certified. You can contact the sustainability team to get a list of all the Herman Miller products that are compliant to the Living Building Challenge Redlist. Please pay close attention to the comments section, as for some products like systems, you may have to go through options to ensure that they're compliant. For things like the work surfaces getting no added urea formaldehyde board specified. Now the Living Building Challenge, we'll put a link here up on the screen that you can check out more if you really want to learn a lot about the standard and read through the protocol itself. But essentially it's a green building standard, very similar to the green building standard LEED, but this one goes beyond LEED in that every requirement in the standard is required. So where LEED has a number of requirements, prerequisites, and things that you can pick and choose to get a certain number of points and get, gold or silver certified, for the Living Building Challenge, every element in the standard is required. So it's a much more stringent standard to complete and be certified to than LEED. And it incorporates things that LEED does not do, such as using renewable energy to provide all of your on-site energy needs, which is called net zero energy, treating all of your water on site. So these are things that are much harder to do, especially in commercial buildings, than some of the requirements in other standards. That's probably why not as many of you have heard of the Living Building Challenge, but it's really a great standard in how far it pushes buildings to be sustainable. It has a number of what they call petals or elements, just like LEED has, sections. In this case it's on materials, health, beauty, equity, as well as a few other things like water and renewable energy. So within each one of those petals there are very specific requirements to meet those elements. Again, if you want to learn more about the Living Building Challenge, you can certainly contact the sustainability team, and we're happy to help you out with learning more. Or you can find the link that we've got attached here, go online, learn a little bit more, and again, contact us if you have any questions about Living Building Challenge Redlist compliant products. And again, we certainly have lots of products that are compliant to the Living Building Challenge Redlist, and we can support any project that you've got going on. Until next time, this is Thaddeus with the sustainability team. Have a great day.